This is the DJI Agras T20, which carries 20 liters of load and covers 12 hectares per hour efficiently. The 4-channel independent flow control allows more even application, while the intelligent relief valves results in more convenient air removal. The omnidirectional digital radar provides 360 degrees 3D scene reconstruction, empowers the aircraft to avoid obstacles autonomously, even in poor visibility, guarantees safe operation both day and night. The new programmable controller is equipped with RTK module for centimeter-level flight planning. Simply press one button to have the drone take off and perform its job autonomously. Equipped with a new spreading system, T20 can deliver uniform spreading of seeds, fertilizer, and other solid materials at a rate up to 10 kilograms per minute. The rating of IP67 makes the whole aircraft washable. The foldable design makes the T20 even more portable. By using the P4 multispectral to gather precise plant-level data, T20 can apply the selectively spraying solution based on crop growth to save water and reducing the pesticide dosage. With the help of Phantom 4 RTK and DJI Terra, users can apply 3D flight path for more efficient planning. T20 is capable of flying precisely along flight path on multiple application scenarios. To target fruit trees distributed on contour lines, users can choose free flight path to save battery power. The continuous spraying function allows T20 to perform better on mountainous terrain, keeping flight safety and saving you effort. This is the powerful and precise Agras T20, pushing the boundaries of crop spraying and bringing up more possibilities for the future of agriculture.